Good day to all. I'm William Jim Mavelli from India. Innovative Authors International Forum, the bookshelf. In today's bookshelf, I wish to introduce a book, an anthology titled Love and Winged. This is published on the Happy Valentine's Day of this year, that's 14th February year 2021. This Valentine anthology is published by Evans Publications based in Delhi, and here is the book. As I am familiar with the Evans Publications, it's not a new thing to say about the book. The interior and publication is well designed in such a way that they have given the profile of each and every poet and their photographs. It consists of a good number of poems which are from global poets. Moreover, there is another section which is for short stories, and that is also done in a very well-versed way. Of course, there is it's a bilingual anthology. Some stories are in Hindi language, and most of the writers are highly qualified. Like for example, Tali Cohen Sabtai. She is from a poet from Jerusalem, and I am familiar with her poems. Mary Lynn Lucy, and she is also from Florida, USA. Along with all other global poets, 2 poems penned by me was also included in this anthology. Another Nandini Anantakumar, Sania Sakir, all their poems, Krishna Kumari. Their poems are written in a well-to-do way, and it's done very nicely. Actually, I received this book yesterday evening. I happened to open this book today morning, and hopefully I'll try to make a short review possible. Of course, Brenda Muhammad, she is very famous in motivational strips group. Her poem also is there, which I wish to say, your love is like a rain. Falling in love with you was like a downpour of rain. I tried my best to prevent it, but all in vain. It's a good line. Congratulations, Brenda Muhammad. It's amazing romantic lines from your pen. I wish Evans Publications a very happy Holi celebrations during this time. I wish all my Facebook friends and well-wishers a happy Holi, which is falling tomorrow or after tomorrow. And that's all for today from the bookshelf. I'm signing off. William T. Mavelli, Innovative Authors International Forum. That's all. Goodbye. Love to all. Bye to all.